Making a cloud in a jar is a fun and educational experiment that demonstrates the principles of cloud formation in the atmosphere. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating a cloud in a jar. Materials needed: clear glass jar with a lid, mason jar or similar, boiling water. Ice cubes, matches or a lighter, optional. Aerosol spray, such as hairspray or deodorant. Hot pad or towel. 2. Handle the hot jar. Food coloring, optional, for visibility. Instructions. Prepare the jar. Fill the bottom of the glass jar with a small amount of hot water, about 1/3 full. The water should be hot but not boiling at this stage. Create steam. Quickly swirl the hot water in the jar to create steam. This step helps increase the humidity inside the jar, which is essential for cloud formation. Add aerosol spray. Spray a short burst of aerosol spray, hairspray or deodorant, into the jar. This provides particles for water vapor to condense around, mimicking cloud condensation nuclei in the atmosphere. Form clouds. Immediately place the lid on the jar and tightly seal it. The jar should be closed to trap the steam and aerosol particles inside. Create cooling. Carefully place ice cubes on top of the lid of the jar. The cold lid causes the air inside the jar to cool, leading to condensation of the water vapor and aerosol particles into visible clouds. Observe cloud formation. Watch as clouds form inside the jar. You should see tiny droplets of water forming on the sides of the jar, resembling clouds in the atmosphere. Optional. Add food coloring, for visibility. If desired, add a drop of food coloring into the jar before sealing it. This can make it easier to see the cloud formation. Educational insights. Cloud formation. Explain how clouds form in the atmosphere when warm, moist air rises and cools, causing water vapor to condense around tiny particles, cloud condensation nuclei. Types of clouds. Discuss different types of clouds, cumulus, stratus, cirrus, and how their appearance and altitude in the sky relate to weather patterns. Weather impact. Explore the role of clouds in weather phenomena such as precipitation, thunderstorms, and climate regulation. Tips for success. Use caution when handling hot water and the glass jar. Adult supervision may be required, especially when using matches or lighters. Ensure the jar is sealed tightly to trap the steam and aerosol particles inside for cloud formation. Conduct the experiment in a well-lit area to observe cloud formation more clearly. Creating a cloud in a jar is an engaging and visual way to learn about atmospheric science and the formation of clouds. It's suitable for classroom demonstrations, homeschooling, or as a family science experiment to explore the mysteries of weather and climate.